right, guys, getting off work in about 5 more minutes. I came out to the car to bring my stuff, my bags and stuff, and we're getting ready to go pick up the requested order that I received on earlier. So I want you guys to come along with me, and then you can come with me as I drop it off tomorrow morning. And then we're going to do a little spark. And since tomorrow is the 2nd of the month, it's a new month, and most likely it will probably be busy with spark. Hopefully I can make a minimum goal of $100. Guys, I have dropped the laundry off. Now I'm gonna put my Spark app on. I didn't want to do that in front of her door, so let's see what Spark brings. All right, guys, we got a Spark delivery that came through for $15.55.
Northeast on 42nd Street.
It is.
Chestnut Avenue. Then turn right onto Chestnut Avenue.
It is 3 drop.
The next right onto Chestnut Avenue. Then turn left onto the ramp to I-664.
Come on, DPS. It is 3 drop-offs, 3 homes, and the amount is only 24 items for 3 customers. Pretty good order. Let's go do it. Okay, guys, we're at the Walmart. We're going to see what spot we're going to get. Let's see. These people are out here this morning because it's the 2nd of the month and it's going to be busy. We're going to get spot 4. Yeah, that's what an associate one time told me, that they are busy from the 1st of the month to the 10th of the month, and then on other certain days that they're pretty busy too. And I kind of wrote it down, and now he said they extended it to the 13th, from the 1st to the 13th. They're pretty busy. So hopefully and praying that we go ahead and we'll make that minimum goal of $100. All right, guys, we made $22.50 with the Poplin laundry order that we just dropped off. I wanted to pop in and let you know how much we made on that order without the tip. Last time she gave me an $18 tip. So we'll just wait around and see. All right, guys, we got the goods, and the first house is 9 minutes away. Let's go.
Head northwest toward Cunningham Drive.
That has been dropped off, and let's see how far is the next delivery. Just wanted to get out that person's yard, and it is 4 minutes away. Let's go.
Head north on Carlton.
Guys, on to the next delivery, which is 9 minutes away. And these people have so much junk in their yard. It's hard to walk. They got it all over the porch. I don't know what they doing, but I'd be glad when they finish doing what they doing with all that stuff in their yard. But anyway, we're on our way to the next delivery.
Turn right onto Andover
Let's
Drive.
go.
The next right.
All right, guys, we're at the place, but you're not going to be able to see. Oh. It's not many parks over here, so I'll be back because I can't face the customer's house. I'll be back. Have been completed, and I'm sorry guys you wasn't able to see, but this is what I'm talking about when you live in a place where there's no parks, and there's really no parks. Let me get out of here. For the people that even live here. I mean, it's not you parking on the street. So let's see. Can I go that way? I'm gonna make a right. We're gonna wait for another spark to come through. So let's see what comes through. All right, guys, we got another spark delivery came through for $14.60. It is 3 drop-offs. Roll the window up. It's 3 drop-offs. I know 2 is an apartments, and then the other one calls for customer verification, but it doesn't tell me if it's a house or an apartment. And I think Spark is really beginning to be oversaturated, because for it to be the 2nd of the month, I'm not getting back-to-back orders. I remember when I first started Spark, when it first came out, I want to say 2018, 2019, and I believe it's 2018. I mean, there was time I had 2 orders at the same time. There was 2 orders at the same time at 2 different stores, because we wasn't oversaturated. And I mean, when I said we made pretty good money, and but now, I mean, there were 2 shopping orders came out. One was for 2 drop-off, shopping for 2 people, and it was $19.99. But you guys know how I feel about shopping. I usually have an issue every time I do shopping, so I stick with the curbside or the GMD or GMDs. That's what I prefer. If I can get at least 2 or 3 of those today, GMDs with a good payout, I'll be straight. But anyway, we're on our way to pick up this $14.60 Spark delivery. Let's go get it. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. We're going to get spot numbers.
Your destination is on the right.
5. All right, guys, we got the goods. The first house is 6 minutes
Head
away.
Head west toward Virginia 171 West.
Well, I think it's a house. Oh no, it's an apartment. All right, let's go. Alright guys, drop off has been completed. On our way to our next delivery. It is, okay, we're going to a hotel. Let's see how far it is. It is 6 minutes away. Let's go. Alright guys, I didn't want to put the video on, I mean the camera on, because the lady was standing right there. But I just gave her items, and it's at a hotel. So now we're on our way to the next delivery, and I think it is, oh, front door. It's an apartment, and it is 5 minutes away. This lady talking about she got a warrant and all that, and I know she see me coming out and she opening up the door. I'm like, what the world is wrong with folks? Alright guys, you're not going to be able to see me because the building that you're looking at, I'm gonna have to go behind that building to drop off these items. So I will be back. Alright guys, we're here, but we're not facing the door that I need to go into. So I'll be right back. Alright, this has been delivered. We're on our way to the last GMD delivery, and it's a house. And it's 8 minutes away. Let's go. The last delivery has been dropped off, so I'm gonna get out these people's driveway and then I'm gonna see what else comes through. All right guys, we're back. I went home and made me some lunch, closed my eyes for a little bit, so I was getting tired, and now we back. It's kind of slow. Good ones are not coming out, and a whole lot of shopping, but I'm not doing shopping, and even the shopping is not that good. But anyway, we just got one for $10, and how much change was it? $10.48 to drop off. They don't have a lot of items, so we're on our way to, I hope you can hear me. I'm gonna roll the window up. We're on our way to go pick up this Walmart spot delivery. All right guys, we're at the Walmart and we're going to get spot number
destination will be on the right.
30. Guys, we got the item and we're on our way to deliver it, and the delivery is 7 minutes away. Let's go. Alright guys, we're on our way to our next delivery, and it is 10 minutes away, so let's go. Alright guys, we're waiting on another one. A shopping order came through for $32.03 to shop 75 items, but I'm not doing that. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. All right guys, one came through for $31.89. It is a curbside. It's only 1, 2, 3 drop-offs, 1, 2, and 3 homes. And make sure it's not a lot of water. Just checking. One person have paint, gallons of paint, 2 gallons of paint. I don't see any. No, they don't have any water. Let's check the last one. And nope, they have no water. So we're gonna go ahead, and we're already at the store, so let's go ahead and start the delivery. Oh, it says too early to start. Let's wait for a second. All right guys, as of right now it is 2:42 p.m. Even with that hour and a half break, I've made $105.71. So let's keep going. Hopefully another good one come through. Guys are still saying that we're still a little early, but what I think I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over there and find me a spot, and when it's time to log in, be already in my spot, because we have about 6 more minutes. So let's go on over there. All right, guys, we're gonna get spot 3. All right, guys, we got the goods. First
Northwest
delivery.
Cunningham Drive.
First delivers to a house, and it is 8 minutes away. All right, guys, it is done. Now we're going on to the next delivery, and let's see how far it is. Come on now. It is 9 minutes away. Let's go. All right, guys, it has been delivered, and the next delivery is, let's see, it is 6 minutes away. Let's go. Let's go. I hear something coming through. Okay, it's $13 for 2 drops off. I'm gonna accept it, and then if I don't like it, I'm gonna get rid of it. So let me go on to the side and see what's on this order for $13. All right, guys, I went on and took the $13 one.
In 600 feet, turn left.
It's not that bad. It's 2 drop off. So we're going to get it. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. Let's see what spot we're gonna get. See. 4.